Hey guys, I know you've seen a lot of videos about fake backgrounds, but what if I tell you there can be more to this trend? Yes, you can expand your entire set. And that's what we're going to be exploring on today's video. Trust me, it's going to be an exciting one. So sit back, relax, grab some coffee, and let's get right to it. So the other day I posted the video of how I set up my own workspace, and the caption clearly stated I went through the traditional route of creating, creative workspaces for videos like this, rather than going through the trendy route of making fake backgrounds. It sounded like I was taking a jab on those who use fake backgrounds. But on the contrary, I actually feel it's a smart move. I mean, you save a lot of money at the end of the day, cause setting up workspaces can be pocket draining. All you just need is a plain background like this, and AI does the magic. But this video was made not just for you to pimp up your background only, but for you to actually push the possibilities of AI. This technique actually works best when you have less or no objects in the background, and that's why I'm using this dining section of my house. Please don't tell my wife. So the reason I'm not using my workspace for this video is because my workspace already has a lot of objects in the background, and if I'm going to be using my workspace for this video, I'm going to be stressing AI engines out. There are a lot of AI solutions on the internet at the moment, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be working with a free one because I know you guys like free things. Let's get right to work. So the concept behind fake backgrounds is using AI solutions to fill up blank portions of your sequence, or should I say footage. In Premiere Pro, I scaled down my footage to about 70% because the intention is to add more real estate around my dining area to make it wider. Then export frame as PNG by clicking this icon right here. If you can't see this icon, click this plus sign and drag it to this section. Next, open browser and go to photop.com. So Photop is a free online graphics and photo editor like Photoshop. So if you know how to use Photoshop, you definitely know how to use Photop. Select open from computer. This will load your image into the web application. Move to the left side of the interface and select Magic Replace from the drop-down tools. So Magic Replace is an alternative for Adobe's Firefly's generative fill. And guess what? It is free. The catch is that you have to watch a few adverts, or you can bypass that by paying a fee of $5. Select the area you want to replace or fill up by drawing a selection around the region. Then move to the top of the interface and give it a prompt. Just like every AI software, with a lot of prompt trials, I ended up with this frame right here. But let's say the truth, AI prompts can be stressful though. But it's just prompts, right? You're not designing, you're just coming up with text. Or should I say, languages that AI will try to understand. You're not the one putting in the work. But I'm still putting in the work though. I'm coming up with prompts to make AI understand. I'm still working. So yeah, as an AI prompter, or should I say someone who comes up with AI images, I should get paid for it because I use 1,000 hours to come up with those prompts. Next, go back to your editing software and place the generated image on top of your footage. Mask out the part of the image that is to reveal your A-roll, feather the edges, and voila! We have wider and beautified sets. What a good time to be alive. Just a plain background, and look at the way it looks like at the moment. You can see it's very, very easy to go about this technique. A layman with no creative skill can actually, come up with this beautiful sets. But some principles have to be adhered to, and that's what we're going to be talking about right now. So firstly, you have to have an idea of how you want your sets to look like. That way you already know what prompts to use when you get to your AI platform. Secondly, you have to make sure that your background is less busy, or better still, plain like what we have right here. Another pointer is to color grade your footage before exporting your frame for AI. And lastly, do not move your hand outside the portion of the frame you intend to mask. A better way to achieve this is to turn on your grid on your camera or phone settings to guide you while you're moving during your video shoots. And that brings me to the end of this video. I'll be glad to see you guys get more creative with this technique and find more solutions, because trust me, AI keeps getting smarter daily and there are endless possibilities to these things. Until I see you on the next one, bye for now. Peace.